Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, if you remember the last unboxing where they sent me something that's butt ugly. They sent me the light fixture and I showed you guys, and it was supposed to be pure white, and it was some ugly attempt at an antiqued white. Where they'd taken brass and they gave some white streaks of paint on it, which looked totally ugly. Anyway, so I returned it, and they sent me immediately another box. They had changed up the website and no longer carried the pure white, so I got I went ahead and got another black one. I found a black one that was cheaper than the other ones I was getting, but this one is a little different. Just open here. And they packed this one directly. I mean, they sent this one directly in it since I didn't have anything else ordered with it. So it doesn't have a box I can toss, so I can't toss it. So there we go. Same thing. The difference is that this one, each one of these is 60 watt max instead of the 100 watt max like on some of the others. Fortunately, I was only going to put 40 watt bulbs here above the sink, which I got last time. So I got this here for that. I can work on that. And this thing does not have, interesting, does not have all the styrofoam in it, so it's cheaper that way there. Make sure nothing here is damaged coming the way it did. That looks good. Okay. So this box, I'll get it out and get it done. And I'll probably get on changing this one out this afternoon, possibly. All right. So got another one here. Another set. Actually, this was a 2 set, so I'll change this one out and may get on the one in the boys' and the grandson's little bedroom, playroom there, and get it done too. So stay happy, stay safe, and get your garden planted. Or not planted, get your garden planned, not planted.